change brushes on an AS175 Arbortech brick and mortar saw. You're going to need some needle nose pliers. These are bent, they don't have to be bent. And you're going to need a small flat screwdriver. Pretty simple procedure. Take the screw out of the brush cover. There's one on the top of the motor and also one on the bottom. Put your screwdriver in there and pry the cover loose. That exposes the brush. Grab hold of the spring with your pliers and move it to the left. There's a little pin right there. Then you unplug the brush from the terminal. Put the new brush in place. When you're attaching this to the terminal, make sure you don't bend the metal where the connection comes in to the terminal. I use the needle nose pliers to squeeze. From the far side of that screw to the connector and push the two together. Then you lift the spring back up, lay it on top of the brush, put the brush cover back in place. And replace the screw. Do that on the bottom of the motor as well as the top. There are two brushes in each motor.